your own headboard on a budget with this easy DIY project. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'll show you how. To complete this project, here's a look at what you'll need. The list includes painter's tape, fabric, foam boards, and project foam. I picked up these boards for $1 a piece. Next, I taped the boards together and added a thin piece of wood for stability. Using a stapler, I secured the project foam to the boards. For this headboard, I purchased a 1/2-inch thick roll of foam to create the look. With scissors, I snipped off the excess foam and prepared to add the fabric. I purchased 2 to 3 yards of material and wrapped it around the board, much like wrapping a gift. On the side opposite the project foam, I secured the fabric with staples. Depending on the material selected, hot glue may be a better option for some projects. With the fabric in place, I nailed each end of my headboard to the wall. The custom detail, an affordable way to decorate a room and add some style. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'm Shayla Reeves.